Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I work hard for the Doge family. I'm glad. We will grow Dogecoin together. What I say in my graphic predictions are always correct, friends. I hope it will be useful for you. I will determine the trading points for those who want to trade short. And today I will tell you the important developments. How Dogecoin traders can take advantage of the next few sessions. The new week kicked off with a buying frenzy as Bitcoin's value jumped above $38,000 for the first time in over a month. This acted as a catalyst for the global altcoin market, which saw a near 10% increase in market cap to $1.53 trillion. Dogecoin, which held the 7th position in the crypto rankings, was the highest percentage gainer among the top 10 coins, climbing by 15% over the last 24 hours. Doge's chart indicated a breakout above 20 cents resistance after a period of consolidation which lasted for 4 days. The 2-0 SMA, red, ran bullish during this period and lent support to minor declines in the market. The breakout triggered an immediate jump of 13.6% as Doge climbed above its 200 SMA, green, for the first time since the 3rd of June. As Doge bulls made key developments, its EMA ribbons noted an interesting changeup. The indicator, which combines several moving average lines, was witnessing a crossover at the time of writing. The last time this occurred was in early June when Doge rose by 60%, but bears were quick to negate this outcome. The candles were unable to hold above these ribbons and eventually dropped lower as a bearish trend resumed in the market. This had not been the case over the past few days, which saw Doge consistently find support at its EMA ribbons. Stabilization needed? But first, Doge lovers, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will grow Dogecoin. While a trend switch was in play, relative strength index did highlight overbought conditions in the market which warranted the need for stabilization. The next few sessions could pan out this way, especially since the price headed towards a resistance zone of $0.226 minus 0.230. The coming sessions could see Doge find a resting ground close to $0.215 support before making its next leg upwards. Once this occurs, Doge's next target would be its the 23rd of May low of $0.249. Conclusion: Dogecoin's overall trend was noting a crucial change in an ADX reading of 40 meant that another price swing was possible in the next 24 hours. However, RSI did indicate possibilities of a slight correction before Doge resumed its bullish run. This could take place between a defensive zone of $0.226 minus 0.230. The Dogecoin community has been awaiting a bullish trend over the past few months. As the cryptocurrency market starts to gain back bullish steam, Doge looks primed to begin a strong uptrend. The meme coin mania only thrives in a bullish type market, which shows Doge is not far much different than the rest. Once Doge clears over its last two important marks, we can expect a strong bull trend to take place. Doge has been stuck under a long-term trend line over the past 75 days. At the time of writing, price is attempting to break above this trend. If this is deemed successful, bulls must hold to experience a large price spike. Along with this trend line lies the 30-day MA. This MA has acted as resistance for over 2 months. Can Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency that came to life as an internet joke, be considered a long-term investment? This question is asked a lot, guys. Here is the answer. Dogecoin Investment. Dogecoin was actually created as a result of the hard fork of the cryptocurrency called Dogecoin. Dogecoin, on the other hand, is a derivative of Litecoin, developed from the Bitcoin blockchain network. While code updates for Dogecoin are infrequent, it does benefit from updates from Litecoin. Although Dogecoin's last major software update was in 2019, minor updates have continued since then. Dogecoin should not be seen as a good investment given the intent and purpose. Because Dogecoin not only started as an internet joke in 2013, but also software engineer co-founders Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus created the cryptocurrency in a few days by copying the source code of Bitcoin. They wanted to emphasize the frivolity of the business by changing the default font to Comic Sans. This font has been associated with the brand ever since. Co-founder Marcus was able to buy a Honda Civic in 2015 thanks to Dogecoin. However, if Doge had kept its savings, it would have accumulated more than $1 billion in 2018. In fact, in May 2021, his fortune could exceed $88 billion. Neither Palmer nor Marcus are interested in the project. This may indicate that Dogecoin is an unreliable investment, but the dedicated dev team and Dogecoin community ensure continuity. As a result, Dogecoin has defied all negative reviews so far as an investment. Although some say that Dogecoin is a bubble waiting to burst, this claim has not been confirmed yet. The power of money lies in usage scenarios. Another way to tell if Dogecoin is the right investment lies in its use cases. The stronger the use case, the more demand the coin will be. In the early days of Dogecoin, the main use case was to reward the Doge community with tips in exchange for entertaining comments. Since then, the use cases have expanded, but the tip is still a feature of the project. Dogecoin use cases have grown over the years, becoming a medium of exchange. It can be used to donate, buy NBA game tickets, or buy souvenirs. According to Elon Musk, even a Tesla car can be bought with Doge. In addition, Dogecoin was used to raise money to take the Jamaican sled team to the Sochi Winter Olympics in 2014. Dogecoin uses a derivative of the proof-of-work consensus algorithm that underpins Bitcoin. Transactions on the blockchain are completed within a minute and are fast compared to Bitcoin. This speed and security puts Dogecoin's hand on the currency usage scenario. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey said I do own Bitcoin, and Tesla owns it, and SpaceX owns it, and I own a little bit of Ethereum and, of course, Dogecoin. He has also confirmed that SpaceX holds Bitcoin after Skybridge Capital founder Anthony Scaramucci broke the news back in March. Musk once again voiced his concerns over Bitcoin's lack of usability in its energy-intensive proof-of-work algorithm, but he said that it had a lot of potential. In general, I'm a supporter of Bitcoin and the idea of cryptocurrency. But as I said publicly, we need to watch out for crypto taking, especially Bitcoin, using proof of work to maybe use energy that's maybe a bit too much and not necessarily good for the environment. Bitcoin does some things well, and it's evolving. Usability for the average person is not very good, but it has a lot of potential. In addition, he praised the flagship cryptocurrency's decentralization and its censorship resistance, but Bitcoin per se is mostly solving for scarcity. Or rather, solving for essentially having no throat to choke, decentralized. So there's no one who can be coerced in any way to empty that Bitcoin account. Well, I guess they could technically, but on an individual basis the Tesla boss is convinced that crypto can have an empowering effect on an individual. Musk drew the ire of the Bitcoin community after Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin payments in mid-May, a move that was attributed to a massive correction in the cryptocurrency market. I will keep you informed of developments as soon as possible. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.